If you want to strengthen your hair and protect it from UV rays, from breakage and from damage, then listen up. Protect Hairspray will protect and moisturize your hair. It features a multifunctional UV filter which can help protect your hair against UV rays. And even though we might love the sun, then hair that's overexposed to the sun can be damaged. And that can affect different properties of the hair. So for instance, the resistance to stretching and hair elasticity, but also the aesthetic properties, so how your hair actually looks. And that's why it's important to protect your hair from damage caused by UV rays. So besides UV protection, then the product Protect Hairspray protects your hair from heat damage. So you should use it before you use a hair dryer, a curling iron or flattening iron, for instance. And it will also help prevent your natural or colored hair from fading. It features 3 fantastic moisturizing ingredients: coconut oil, glycerine and apple extract that helps keep your hair and scalp hydrated. Conditioning agents including coconut oil but also yeast extract help strengthen the hair and decrease hair damage and breakage, and the product helps provide detangled and manageable hair. The formula is hydrophobic, which means that it does not like water, and it's this property that allows it to remain on your hair for a longer time, even if you are in humid or wet environments. And in connection to this, then coconut oil specifically acts as a coating agent, so when you go swimming, it will reduce the amount of chlorinated or salt water that can penetrate the hair fiber. Protect Hairspray is biphasic. That means it consists of 2 phases, 1 oil and 1 water phase, and therefore you need to shake it well before you use it. It's suitable for all hair types, so straight fine hair, curly hair, or even dry and coarse hair types. And you can apply it in both wet and dry hair and apply it according to your needs.